Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to have a look at an absolute classic. Had a few requests for this one, but the wonderful, wonderful Wicked Game by Chris Issak. Okay, this is a really simple one, so shouldn't give you too many problems, even if you're just starting out. But like I always say in my videos, you'll see a running order come up on the screen, and if you already know the chords, which are B minor, A and E, you might want to skip the video forward just to playing the actual song and just get straight on with it. We're also going to try, as well as the strumming, a very basic strumming pattern, we're going to try a basic finger picking thing in this one, which is quite effective as well, a basic finger picking thing which you might want to have a go at later on. Okay, but if you are just starting out and you need to brush up on your chords, let's just try those chords for you. We've got the B minor, the A and the E. Okay, so first of all, your B minor. Okay, for this one we want our first finger on the first string in the second fret. Next finger on the second string in the third fret. Next finger goes on the fourth string in the fourth fret, and the little finger goes right underneath that on the third string in the fourth fret. Okay, there's your B minor. Okay, and for this one, you're trying to avoid hitting the E and the A, the bass E and the bass A. They're just the two strings at the top. It's the four below that you want to hit. Okay, A major. For this one, we just want to put our first finger on the fourth string in the second fret. Next finger goes underneath that on the third string in the second fret. Next finger goes under that on the second string in the second fret. Okay, and for A, we want to try and avoid hitting the bass E string right up at the top. It's just the five lower strings. Okay, and E, last of all, for this one, we just want our first finger on the third string in the first finger, third string in the first fret. Okay, next finger goes on the fifth string in the second fret. Next finger goes underneath that on the fourth string in the second fret. There we go, E. And for that one, we're just hitting all the strings on that one. Okay, so that's B minor, A, and then E. And like I always say, if you're a beginner, you might want to spend a little bit of time brushing up, getting used to those chords so you can change fairly quickly. Okay, so moving straight on, this one's so simple, but all we want to do, we're just going to do a very simple kind of strum for this one, just B minor twice, then A twice, and E four times, and back to B, B, and then an A, and then an E, and again. That's all the song does, the entire song, the whole way through. And then E, and an E, and back to B minor, and then an A, and an E. Okay, so you might want to practice that a few times just to get used to it, but again, like I always do, you'll have to excuse the singing, but I'm going to hum the melody in the background now so you can see how the melody and the tune of the song fits in exactly with those chords all the way through. The entire song is just that. Okay, so let's just start off at the very beginning, and I'll hum the tune in the background, see if you can join me. It's great practice for this one. Okay, 2, 3, and then an A, and an E, back to B minor, strange word desire, B, back to B, back to B, and then the chorus, same chords. Same chords all the way through, and a dun, dun, and an A, and then an E, and then you're into the second verse, back to B. What a wicked game to play. Da, 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 and so on, literally the whole way through that. That's all it does, those three chords. And basically, like I did say at the beginning, we'll have a little look now. That's your basic strumming pattern. But you've got that nice little, there's a bit of finger picking throughout the song that isn't too difficult. This is kind of a little bit basic, a bit more basic than the one they use, but it's quite effective as well. We've just got the B minor. Nice again. Okay, so all we've got for that one is basically on the B minor, just hold the chord down, and if you just try hitting the 4th string, and then 1, 2, 3, 4th string, 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. If you get used to that pattern, then that's the string numbers for you. 4th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 4th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then you change to A and do 5th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then do 6th string and 3rd string on the E. Okay, so all that finger picking pattern was 4th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 to the A, 5th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 6th and 3rd together on the E. Change to A, change to E. Okay, and that last little bit, you've just got the 3rd string and you're going 1st, 2nd, 4th, 1st, 2nd, 4th on the 3rd string. So you might want to slow that down and practice it, but basically got the B minor, 4th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 5th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 6th and 3rd string together, and then 1, 2, 4 on the 3rd string. Okay, again. Change to A and E, 1st, 2nd, 4th. Okay, so that's the entire song. You've just got that nice easy strum, B, B, and then an A, and then an E, and then an E, and back to B, B, and then an A, and then an E. And let's try the finger pick bit together. Time and B, and E. Let's try one more, get it right, and change to A and E. Okay, so there you have it. Nice, easy one. Always click like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Try it, it will sound great. Very popular, very good song. Try singing it as well. You might do a better job than I do. All the best, and I'll see you soon for more great, easy guitar lessons with Ben Golding Guitar. Thanks.